Alright, here's how to print a PDF with comments showing using Adobe Acrobat. First, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Then, go to the Tools pane and select Comment. In the Comment pane, click the three dots menu, then click Create Comment Summary. You essentially have four options for printing the document with comments, in terms of how you want the comments displayed, depending on what your preference is. The first and simplest is Comments Only. Choose this in the layout, and then press Create Comment Summary. This creates a separate document that shows only the comments throughout the document. You can save this and print it separately when you print the document. A second option is if you want the comments to be shown on the same page as the document itself, beside it. Choose Document and Comments with connector lines on single pages, and then press Create Comment Summary. This creates a new PDF which shows the comments directly beside the document. However, it has made the document itself smaller and turned the resolution of the document into landscape. When you save and select Print on this new document, you will need to choose Landscape or Auto in order for the document and comments to not be cut off and be fully visible. The other two options are for putting the comments on the following page for each page of the document they correspond to. The first of these is Documents and Comments with sequence numbers on separate pages. When you select this and create Comment Summary, it shows each of the comment icons on the document and numbers them sequentially. And then on the following page for each page on the document, it shows the corresponding text of that comment for each comment number. The second of these is Documents and Comments with connector lines on separate pages. Let's create Comment Summary with this option. Again, the comment icons are shown on the documents, but this time instead of being numbered, a line is drawn between the comment icon and the comment text on the following page. While the document and the comment text are printed on separate pages, when you have printed this new PDF, you will need to view them beside each other, like flipping through a book, in order to be able to view the comment and text together.